So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Welcome back. So working on the car speakers for the Accord. Again, one car project after another. But this one will most likely be my last one for 2021, unless the weather gets better, which we actually look like we're having a pretty good weather week next week. But one of the last things I wanted to do for the Accord was upgrade the speakers. I upgraded the subwoofer. I'm actually running the subwoofer right now without the speakers. So not sure if you're picking up any of the sound or anything, but I'm getting just a low bass, and I was curious what that would actually sound like. So I figured after I took out all the speakers, let me test it out. So it actually sounds pretty good. It's interesting not hearing the treble, but I'm going to add a speaker back at a time, and we're actually going to get to hear what that actually sounds like. So that'll actually be a pretty neat project, because I'm curious doing things in reverse. Usually I've had the tweeters, and then I've installed the sub, and then the sub was just like, whoa, right? So right now I had the sub with nothing else, and it's great hearing that bass, but not hearing the lyrics is kind of like a little bit weird, a little bit strange. So we're going to actually test that out, see how that goes. This is interesting. All right, so I'm going to turn up the bass a little bit more. All right. All right, we're gonna keep sorting some things out. So stay tuned. Might start with the rear speakers first, and then come back to the tweeters, or you know what, we'll figure it out as we go. All right, stay tuned. Bye.